Please subscribe.
The Rogue is a practical and efficient compact crossover and Nissan's best-selling model. While its attractive looks and comfortable cabin are appealing, the Rogue isn't as charismatic or refined as leading rivals. Its lazy 170 HP four-cylinder pairs with front or all-wheel drive, and its performance is uninspired. It is exceptionally safe with great crash test results and oodles of available active safety assists. Still, this class is filled with fun and functional alternatives that are more compelling than the mass-market Rogue. What's new for 2018? For 2018, the Rogue is cosmetically and mechanically unchanged, but it is no longer available with a third row. However, it adds several consumer-minded features that improve its appeal elsewhere. The biggest addition is Nissan's Pro Pilot Assist, which debuts on the 2018 Rogue. The system uses lane keeping assist and stop-and-go adaptive cruise control to help the driver accelerate, brake, and steer on the highway. Every Rogue also receives a standard 7.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additionally, it receives another USB port, 2 total, new standard equipment on higher trims, renamed and reshuffled packages, and 2 new exterior colors, Scarlet Ember and Midnight Pine. What was new for 2017? The Rogue received updated styling inside and out as well as its first ever hybrid powertrain in 2017. Nissan implemented its V-Motion corporate design theme onto its front end and added an optional motion-activated tailgate. Inside, changes included new materials throughout, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and an updated center console. The Rogue added active safety assists such as adaptive cruise control and automated emergency braking. Its other new options included remote start, a heated steering wheel, memory mirrors and driver's seat, and a Platinum Reserve interior package that brought tan leather-appointed seats with quilted inserts. The Rogue's interior is a comfortable and attractive environment, and the Platinum Reserve interior package takes it into luxury territory. What's new for 2018? The 2018 Rogue is no longer available with a third row, which means the Volkswagen Tiguan is the only other compact crossover that is. The Nissan's interior is otherwise unchanged, preserving the pleasant environment that is one of its high points. The Rogue may be much more show than go, but its front and rear styling are as sharp as ever. While we think its design is less compelling than the rest of Nissan's current lineup, the Rogue's sleek exterior lighting and V-Motion grille stand out. What's new for 2018? The SV trim adds a standard motion-activated liftgate for 2018. The Midnight Edition package has been revised with new black exterior trims such as front and rear accents, emblems, and grille. The S-Value package replaces the Appearance package. Late availability, the SV Sun and Sound Touring package has been updated to include premium package content. The lineup also adds 2 exterior colors, Scarlet Ember and Midnight Pine. Driving the Rogue is like visiting your grandparents. The feedback might be a little dull, but at least it's comfortable. Acceleration that lags behind that of class leaders, buoyant body motions, and unremarkable brakes are trademarks of the dynamically lackluster Nissan. What's new for 2018? The Rogue is mechanically unchanged for 2018, which means the newest model isn't any more fun to drive than the last. Still, its soft ride provides comfortable transportation from point A to point B. Trims and options: we'd choose the mid-level Rogue SV. Has the best combination of price and features. Starting at $26,875 for the front-wheel drive version, all-wheel drive adds $1,350. It features a 170 HP inline-4 mated to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Its list of desirable standard features includes heated front seats with an 8-way power driver's seat proximity key for passive entry and push-button start, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, dual-zone automatic climate control. We'd also opt for the SV Premium package, $1,490, which includes a heated steering wheel, navigation, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera with Nissan's moving object detection system. As its name suggests, this feature alerts the driver to moving objects nearby. The grand total of our well-equipped Rogue SV is $28,365. Still, for a little less, we'd much rather have the all-star Honda CR-V or the fun-to-drive Mazda CX-5.